My name is Abhishek Bajaj. I represent my brand Provo, which is a one-stop solution for all interior and architectural needs. So from anything which is related to wood, we deal in each and everything. And this is one of the largest showroom in east of India. That's a customized app that we made in Expand, in which basically my team is able to enable. There are 3-4 features which are not there in Freshwork that we've added in this. That live location sharing is there. There's meeting updates are there. There's a follow-up tracking is better. There are some dashboard that we created. There's a report that comes every day. My team shares me, so I can check that report on my laptop as well, and that report we take printout as well. So whatever the visit that happens in the entire day and whatever the calls that my team does, all feedbacks we get in those reports. So obviously, we have a track of sales team day in day out. On one phone, everything is available, and on one phone, I think Expand team is also available. So there's no issues that we faced. Initial 1 month, obviously, anything which you start new, you have some challenges in 1.5 months. So we come up with those challenges, and the work is going from almost 2 years now, and everything is smooth.